Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing you another vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while. I don't know what that light is. If you see that light, it's really annoying. So guys, there's actually a really bad blizzard right now. It's not like the worst. It's not really snowing right now anymore. I'll show you. So you can barely see it, but it's all really snowy. It literally just snowed. It took like about an hour for it to get that bad. I don't know why, but it's like so bad right now. I know it's really dirty. I should do a house tour, but I don't actually. I know one of my friends said I should do a house tour, but geez, that's like trippy. That's really trippy, actually. Trippy. Why is my grill right out there? Oh my God! No, guys, that's not supposed to be there. Guys, it moved. Oh my God. I hate this door. Wow, it's a log off box. What the heck? Guys, this is really bad. You don't get it, but it's really bad. Hey, if this is just really easy and doing it better. Guys, it's not supposed to be there. No, guys, it's really bad. I'm not telling them. I need to tell my mom this. I'm at 20%. Mom, did you get the grill to be outside? Yeah, did you put it outside, like out of the door? Yeah, it's blowing away right now. Mom, look, come through the door. I'm making a YouTube video right now. This is actually, I didn't realize this. It's right there.
Oh my gosh, whoa, okay. Well, let me see. Can't go through the trees. So. Does it have the propane tank in there?
Yes, it does. It does. No, it does.
Okay, I'll have to take it. Oh, the grill like blew, it's on wheels, so it like blew over in the middle of it.
Wait, what's that? There you go. I'm not gonna waste light. Actually, I am, because the power might go out soon, because I saw a tree, and it, like, literally, it was on fire. There's sparks on it, and it was hitting against a pole. Like, that's bad. Live wires. Don't see them beautiful. Here, I got this brand new coat. It's literally the best coat in the world. This case is beautiful too. Beautiful. So, I just really want to know how you guys are doing. I haven't made a video in a while. I got this 5-foot long charger for some reason. I'm picking it up. I don't even think it is 5 feet, because it's like literally right there. So I'm gonna be making more videos right here. Panda plays right there. Whatever this thing is. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That's actually really cool. I feel like that's cool. Oh my, what? It literally has no line. Alright, that was a fail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was pretty short, but I just wanted to say hi. Because I haven't posted a couple videos in like 2 weeks or 1 week. I'm not really keeping track. So if you guys want me to have a schedule for videos, like every Saturday, Wednesday, every Saturday and Wednesday, that would be cool for you guys to schedule out for me. I don't know if I should have a schedule, because I have a lot of work on homework, like homework. So on Wednesdays, I have homework for a really big homework every for reading logs. I don't know if you guys have those, but you get to read at least 100, and you get a sticker for your reading thing. I have to do that, and it's turned in on Thursday, so that's one day away. So I don't think I could do it on. I could have every videos. No, Sunday, Friday, maybe Saturday. I don't know. I'm trying to make it easy. What is this? That was the best airplane ever. I just hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you can like, subscribe, and comment, and that would be awesome. Peace out, boy.